Will this diamond painting get me out of my diamond painting slump? Can we talk about this? This is what happens. This is what happens when I don't take care of my things. Hey there, ho there. My name is Bev B. I have been diamond painting for about 5 or 6 years now, and recently I think I've been in a diamond painting, a burnout, slump, whatever you want to call it. Well, actually not I think. I have been. I for sure have been. But ARTDOT reached out to me and sent me this diamond painting kit to review and share with y'all. So I figured, why not? Let's see if this one diamond painting kit can get me out of my diamond painting slump. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the ARTDOT diamond painting kit. We'll unbox it together. I'll show you my progress. I kind of filmed like a diamond painting vlog, very short. And then at the end, I'll come back with my thoughts on the section that I completed. So it was shipped to me in like a typical box. And because I don't pay attention when companies email me, apparently it came in a tube. And this tube is actually very ideal and handy, especially if you're someone who travels with your diamond painting, or maybe you bring your diamond painting from home to work. If you have a job where you can diamond paint at, okay, who has a job that they can diamond paint at? Leave a comment down below if you do. And I also really enjoy the handle. Like, don't get me wrong, this tube serves no purpose to me. Like, I might just end up recycling it at the end of the day, but I really like the handle. I think it's so handy, and the handle is handy. And you can make it, you can tighten the handle so it's shorter, or you can make it longer, which was really cool as well. And then when I opened it up, to my surprise, this diamond painting kit also came with 3 trays. So 2 of these small ones and a large one. Both sizes in the drill area actually have these little like grooves or indents, whatever you want to call them, where like 3 or I think it's like 4 or 5 drills will gather. So if you are a multi-placer, you can multi-place from that. I did not actually try the tray when I was diamond painting, which I should have. I completely forgot about them. The only thing that I wish the trays had was like a spout, so you could pour the drills back into your container or your baggies, whatever you kit it up with. I wish there was a spout to make it easier. And then typically diamond painting kits come with pen, waxes. So this one came with a pen, 2 waxes, and pointing tweezers. And then to my surprise, this diamond painting actually came with diamond painting sealer in like a little package. I have never seen sealer packaged this way before, and it's really cool that this was included. It comes with a little spatula and instructions on the back on how to do it. I think this is really neat, and this is something I will try in the future, so stay tuned for a video and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. It also came with some release paper. This is A6 release paper, and it is double-sided. And then this diamond painting kit actually came with a really neat sticker sheet, and I think the labels are a decent size. You'll see later on in this video when I kit up the diamond painting. But when we take a close look at the canvas, it's very clear. There's no blurry symbols. I think the symbols that they chose make sense. Nothing was really confusing when I was working on it. ARTDOT really wanted me to mention that this is actually a licensed diamond painting kit, meaning the artwork is licensed. It's by artist John Zaccheo. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And it's non-AI, so it's actually by a real person. A real person drew this, which is really cool, because I think if you've been in the diamond painting scene for a while, you know that there's a whole bunch of AI generative artwork that has infiltrated the diamond painting community. So that's everything that's included with that diamond painting. And now let's cut to me kitting it up, diamond painting, and then I'll come back and give you my final thoughts and show you the section that I completed. And we'll talk about my review, because they say they have new grid lines or a new grid system, and I don't know. We'll talk about it at the end of this. We're going to try and kit up in this new container system. Usually I use Harbor Freight, but I decided to go with this container system. Something that I did notice as I was like opening this is the stuff is cracked. And if you want to look, you can watch a video about storage containers, and this is actually in that video. I'll put the link in the description box if I remember. But I did notice that like when I'm like digging to pull out one of these things, it's very, what is it? Tight. It's a tight fit. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out one from each of the 4 rows or 4 columns, and then it won't be as bad. Oh gosh. It's so It's so tight, guys. Okay, that sounds gross. I'm sorry, my mind is in the gutter. Okay, so we took out 4, and now when I'm digging in here, it can be easier. And I decided to make it easier on myself because I usually, if you have followed me for a while, you would know that I don't usually kit up by DMC number. I literally just label 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, blah, blah, blah. And I would label all of these. And then I would just look on here and be like, okay, number 1 is 312. So I'd put 312 in the box labeled number 1. But because, who knows, will I love diamond painting again? Who knows? I'm going to use these labels and I'm going to peel them up, put them on these containers, and do it that way. Okay, I finished labeling the containers. I think that was fine. So honestly, kitting up is not my favorite thing to do. So I'm basically struggling through this. I'm gonna struggle through the next section and maybe take a break. I don't know, but now I'm gonna open up the drills and put them into the containers and hopefully not cry about it. Also, I should mention that I am watching Grey's Anatomy season 8, episode 21. Okay? If you like Grey's Anatomy, cool. That's what I'm watching. So I finished putting all of the things, the drills, the thingies, the stuff into the containers. So there's that. It was kind of annoying, but not as staticky as I thought it would be. And because my desk is not large enough to have this horizontally, I'm going to work on it vertically, right? Up and down, vertical. Yeah, okay. I'm going to work on it vertically and like sideways pretty much. I'm going to start here and work my way across here and then move up a row, etc. So we will see if this sparks joy in my life again, because really all I've been doing is diamond painting, or all I've been doing is cross stitching. So we'll give this a shot. I'm so sad. Okay, first of all, I found my diamond painting tray. This is from when I went to Crafters Paradise Retreat in 2024. It's a Firefly tray, the Inferno Nano. Okay, so this is like my go-to. And if you've never seen it, the funnel part has an open and close that's built in, which I love. Okay, but can we talk about this? This is what happens. This is what happens when I don't take care of my things. This pen from a neighbor's outpost, I think that I dropped it, and then this happened. So that happened, so we're going to use this diamond painting pen instead. And we're just going to, okay, whoa, what? Okay, so that, this is so gross. All right, so we're going to throw that away, whatever. We're going to use this, and we're going to plop it into here. And it's been a while since I diamond painted. Can I just say, like, I'm very sad about this. I'm, like, very, very sad about this. Okay. I know, I should probably throw it away, but I'm not going to. Okay, so then I have this putty from Crystal Trays. They're a Canadian company, or they were. They're no longer, what do you call it? They're no longer open. Okay, so we're going to take this, and then we have Diamond Art Club tweezers that I just have. And we're going to redo our putty because I feel like because it's been forever since I last this is a whole process. You'd think that I could just sit down and diamond paint and it wouldn't take so long. This is literally like 2 hours later after I unboxed this thing and kit it up. This is a long day, guys. Okay, so when I'm refilling, I'm going to do this for all of the pens, all of these. But I'm just going to show this one because I've already done it. So when I'm refilling multi-placers, I can't even talk. Multi-placers and single placers with putty, I use needle nose tweezers, right? Needle nose? I don't know. Okay, needle nose tweezers. I kind of just dig. I dig in there. And then I go like this. I make it into a little cylinder and then I put it, oh my God. Okay, it landed, oh my God. Where did it land? All right, so let me redo that. Do that. Do this. Roll it into a thing, okay? Then we put it in here and then we shove it in. And then basically, you have to be careful too if you're using needle nose tweezers because is that what they're called? I don't freaking know. Anyways, you have to be careful because they're very sharp. So the last thing you want to do is stab yourself with them. So be careful if you're doing what I'm doing, okay? So I feel like that's full enough. And then I kind of just like squish it in with my finger. And then the last thing you want is to have like excess putty. So I squish it in as much as I can. And then I build it up. I kind of build up the sides. I don't know if you can see this. And then I just scrape it so the excess is off here. And then we'll make it into a little ball. It's my most excellent diamond painting. We'll make it into a little ball and then we'll shove it into the single placer tip. And then we'll squish it in again with our fingy and then remove the excess. Wait, why am I so tired from doing this? Okay. And then I'm just going to go in and do that probably. Okay, so this is the 6 placer from Diamond Art Club. That was the 3 placer. And so I'll do that same thing for the other pen tips. And then I'll start diamond painting 10 years later.
Of my own urine. I'm putting in the shower. No, just get out! Hey! Do not talk to me that way! Eric, get out! Did you hear me?
It was a very long process, as you could see. When I thought about picking up diamond painting again, I thought it would be very quick. I thought it would be like, oh, let me just open this kit, put it on my desk, etc. I forgot about the whole kitting up process. I forgot about stickers on containers. I forgot about emptying the drill bags into these containers. I forgot about doing the putty in my pens because I haven't diamond painted in so long. It was okay. It was a thing. It was a whole thing, okay? But I can honestly say that I think it reignited the spark of like wanting to diamond paint. And I have for so very long have been stuck in cross stitch and like pixels and other crafts that I forgot how relaxing diamond painting could be, minus the whole setup process. Previously, when I decided that I don't feel like diamond painting right now, I'm going to put this away. Before that, I was like, it just had this diamond painting on my desk that acted like a placemat for my other crafts. So I think I'm gonna leave it on my desk. I'm gonna diamond paint for at least like a half an hour, maybe every night, and see how that goes. I don't want to go full force back into it just because I'm scared that I'll get burnt out again. But I did finish that one section and I wanted to come back and share with you some thoughts again. I did only finish a small section. Like, this diamond painting is very large. I only finished a small section. The one thing that I do have to say is that there is gapping within the drills, and I hope that if you're watching this, you can see what I mean visually when I'm talking about gapping. For me personally, gapping is like fine if it's a minimal amount, such as the ARTDOT canvas. But if there's huge gaps, okay, if you haven't been here for very long, I did a diamond painting that I ended up cutting smaller because it made me so miserable. I didn't feel like working on it anymore because the gapping was so intense on that one. But the ARTDOT one, I think, has minimal gapping. Like, it's gapping that I could live with. I don't think it's anything like ridiculous or to like write home about, as people say. Is that what they say? Write home about? I'm gonna write my parents about this gapping on my diamond painting. Anyways, also question for you. Would you rather have gapping or would you rather have popping drills? Me personally, I would rather have gapping than popping drills. Again, minimal amounts of gapping. So I think the colors are really great. Even working sideways on it, the symbols were really clear. Like, I didn't have any issues. I didn't second guess what color I was putting down. And this diamond painting is actually part of a Idyllic Idyllic Homes collection from ARTDOT. I believe there's 4 of them, and ARTDOT did provide me with some video footage of the completed canvases, but they didn't provide me with a completion of the one that I got. But from like looking at the videos and actually like experiencing one of the kits firsthand, like in real life, I think that it's definitely worth it if you're okay with minimal gapping. Again, I know that there's some perfectionists who would prefer no gapping at all, but to me, I think this is very minimal. So I'm going to say that, hey, this has, I've never done this before, but I would say that this has like the Bev B stamp of approval. How cheesy is that? Okay, I think it has the Bev B stamp of approval. Like, I would recommend this to you. And like looking at all the extras as well, if you're new to diamond painting, you get the 3 trays, you get the diamond painting sealer, you get the stickers, etc. Like, I think this kit, the tools and accessories in this kit have everything that you need to get started, which I really love, especially for new diamond painters. And I also like, again, like I said at the beginning of this video, I do like the tube itself. I personally have no use for a tube like this, but if you're someone, again, who works away from home and can diamond paint at work, who are these people, by the way? Who are these people? Make sure you comment down below. It's good for travel. You can also use the tube to ship a completed diamond painting, or maybe you're destashing something. You can use it to send the new purchaser the diamond painting they purchased, whatever it may be. So I think the tube is handy for those circumstances. And as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, ARTDOT did in fact send me this diamond painting, but everything that I've said in this video, everything I've shown you are my own true thoughts. And I am an ARTDOT affiliate, like take that however you will, but basically if you're interested in this kit, I will make a very small commission if you purchase it through the link or using my code, which I'll have in the description box below. I would honestly appreciate it, because by using my code or using the link in the description box below, you're basically telling ARTDOT that, hey, I saw it on Bev's channel and it was helpful to me and I decided to buy it because of her. So give me some clout by using my link or whatever, and plus you get a discount if you use my link, and I think that's really all you care about as you watching this video. But thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts down below. What do you think about the gapping? Is it something that would stop you from buying a diamond painting kit in general? What do you think of the image? Have you checked out the rest of the collection? Have you tried ARTDOT? What do you think about me trying to diamond paint again? I'm kind of excited about it because, hey, it feels like a whole new craft to me, even though the process is arduous. Is arduous the right word? I don't know. But if you made it this far in the video, leave a house emoji with your comment, or just leave a house emoji down below to let me know that you did make it to this far. I really appreciate you watching. And I have more diamond painting videos and other craft videos coming, so make sure you hit the subscribe button. I post new videos whenever I feel like it, so make sure you hit that notification bell as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!